I'm the letter R. Let's hear my story.
After the rain, a bright rainbow appeared in the sky. A loud rooster crowed from the farm, waking a little rabbit. Nearby, a gentle rhino walked slowly through the grass.
That was so much fun. I hope you liked my story. Bye-bye, everyone. See you next time. Hello, everyone. I'm the letter Q. Let's hear my story.
One day, a long queue of people waited to see the queen. The queen came and held a shiny quill in her hand. A little quail peeked from behind the bushes. The queen waved and everyone smiled.
That was so much fun. I hope you liked my story. Bye-bye, everyone. See you next time.